This is everything you need to know to install a security camera system. Hey, my name is Matt. It is a good idea to keep an eye out on your home when you're not around to see who's outside. Even if it is just a postie. Let's get into it. First, unpack your kit and plug in your home base too. Use the Ethernet cable provided to connect it to your home router. A blue light means you're ready to set up. Next, download the app onto your phone and follow the steps to connect the cameras. Use the mounting guide function to check the signal strength. Then, move the camera closer to the home base if the signal strength is weak. Now it's time to mount the cameras. Loosen the bracket and remove it. Then mark the holes and then get drilling. Screw the base in, then attach the camera. All that is left to do is to adjust the viewing angle by checking the live stream feed through the app. Do you want to watch the front door, the backyard, or the garage? Choose the best spots around your home to install your security cameras. They need to sit out of direct sun and 2 to 3 meters above the ground, so grab a ladder. The cameras only need to get charged every 6 months. Simply unscrew them and plug them into the charger. And there you have it, a great camera security system and peace of mind. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.